O Lord Jesus Christ, Son of the living God, you touched the eyes of the blind and gave them light. You raised the paralytic and strengthened the broken. Look now with mercy upon all your servants who suffer in pain. Grant them the healing of body and soul. Calm their troubled thoughts. Wipe away every tear born from fear and weakness. Let your holy grace descend upon them as a gentle light that warms the sorrowful heart. O Master, stretch forth your healing hand. Kyrie eleison. Strengthen their faith in the hour of trial, and make their sickness a ladder toward hope and salvation. For you alone are the physician of our souls, and to you we give glory, now and forever.